Hi, I'm Cody with D. Patrick Ford Lincoln, the big Ford store. When you bring your vehicle in for service, you want it in trusted hands. And here, we take that seriously. At D. Patrick Ford, the big Ford store, we make it easy to keep your vehicle running at its best. Our service team is made up of some of the most knowledgeable and experienced Ford certified technicians you'll find. They spent years training specifically on Ford vehicles, and they use the proper tools and diagnostics recommended by the manufacturer. We offer a full lineup of Ford service packages, including our Works Package Plus and Works Package Plus Premium, each designed to help your engine run cleaner and smoother. And if your vehicle needs routine care, we provide services like wiper blade replacement, tire rotation and balance, brake inspections, and battery checks. As a Ford dealership, we also offer the factory recommended maintenance many shops don't provide, like brake system flushes, transmission services, coolant flushes, power steering service, fuel injector cleaning, differential and transfer case service, and many 4x4 maintenances. And while you wait, you can enjoy our amenities, including free Wi-Fi, coffee, and a comfortable lounge to relax in until your vehicle's ready. We're here to keep your vehicle performing the way it should, with straightforward communication, competitive pricing, and a team you can trust. When it's time for your next service, we'd love to help. Schedule online or give us a call today. We can't wait to help.